So now the final field we need to add is the user image. Now by default, Drupal allows the user to upload an image to their account. So if I go to my page by going to Hello Admin here, and I click Edit, you see if we scroll down that I can upload a picture. Now as of right now, we can't import a picture using the Feeds module to the user. It's just not an option. There is a module, and I'm going to hop on over to it right now, called Feeds User Picture, that will hopefully eventually add this feature to Feeds, but right now it doesn't work properly. So we're not going to use that. But in the future, you might want to keep an eye on this. So our other option is to add an image field to the user. But the downside to this is that this picture here that's by default associated with a user gets used in several different contexts automatically. So for example, in our comments, it's this picture that would be pulled in to display information about the user. It's what displays on our profile user page and in several other contexts. And numerous modules use this picture to display information about the user. So what can we do? We can't import this default picture. We can import an image to an image field that we add, but then there will be several places where the image doesn't display. Well, lucky for us, there's a module that solves this problem. It allows us to link up an image field with this picture display, so any place where this picture would be displayed for the user, it's instead going to use a specific image field. Drupal developers are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an avatar as my picture so we can compare it with what happens when we use an image field along with the user picture field module, which will give us the functionality I just talked about. And we want to make sure that it's using the new avatar instead of the old one. So I'm going to choose one. I'm just going to use Benj Calhout's images in the resource pack inside of the user images folder. And so this one looks like a piece of corn. If we scroll down and click Save, and then we view, you'll see the corn image here. So we're going to go ahead and upload a different image, and ideally, we'll be seeing less and less of this corn image and more of the image that we associate with the image field.